Okay, got the crank cleaned up and ready to go together. So now we got to do the put the head back together. I'm getting all the machining part done so we can move on to the assembly part here pretty quickly. Alright, so see, I lost the valve collar out of it. Feels pretty gritty in there. Wipe that out again. That'll work. Okay. Let's see, which valve are we going to do? It's an intake valve, so intake valve. I haven't checked the exhaust yet. Well, alright, I think. It's going to be alright. Good enough. The intake here. So it's a Britix valve spring compressor. It's probably for a Triumph, BSA, Royal Enfield. Something British. I modified it years ago for racing Sportsters. Which means I beefed it up a bunch. These are pretty heavy valve springs in this thing, so it takes pretty good tension to compress them. It is not in all the way. Heard it pop that time. That looks better. Don't get in front of these valve springs, they'll hurt you. Fire up. Okay, so ones are in there getting tight now. So I don't know how much valve spring tension I run on the seat, but I'm sure it's well over 250. It's over 600 open, so pretty stout. Okay, now we check our valve guide fix. I haven't done that yet. Oh yeah, perfect. It's broken in. Good to go. Maybe next year we'll put new stuff in here and rebuild it. This year, it's still good the way it is. Okay. Put some there like that. No sliding off the valve spring collar allowed. Come on, get up there where you belong. Squeak, squeak, squeak. It doesn't like turning. and snug. So on one side. Happy. Looks like it's going to pop off. Get rid of some tension before it does. Lubricant in the center point there. Alright, let's try it again. I didn't want to stay put. Sliding off the collar a little bit. Got to be in the center of the collar, otherwise it can't get the keepers in there. Whoa. Tried to pop off. Slid off. Oop, slid some more. Being stubborn. Got a different part of that collar. Doesn't want to stay put. That in there. Half in. Dangerous with that much spring tension. It's not a very good tool, but it works. See, it doesn't have much holding on it. You can see how it slid off this side into the ball, and this side's trying to come off. So right now the keepers are going to hold it, but it was getting a little sketchy there for a minute. They're in there where they belong. She's in. Alright. All assembled up. That oil really helped on the squeaky, making it tighten up better. This thing's worn into a nice round ball, which gets pretty even in there once it's sticking and everything. It's worn that way, it's not cut that way. So these spring tensions are definitely heavy. Okay, so the head is assembled, ready to go together. but not right now. We got left here. Pretty much at this point, we're ready to do a crank into a case. See what happens. Now the camshafts I haven't looked at yet, so I gotta make sure they're good. So we're going to take our cam cover over here, put all the cams in here, make sure everything's looking nice. So, number 2. Tap drive. Racing 1. Put in direct, so hopefully correct direction helps. And then the idler one. I run all 4, even though I got a single because I want to run the tack drive, which is right off of here, mechanical. And that hits. Got it cleared now. See, the lifters, they'll hit each other if you get too much out of time here. Okay, they appear to rotate. Hopefully they rotate when they're in the case, so no issues there that I can tell. The teeth all look good, but you always want to spin it before and make sure there's no high spots in there from impact crap going through the motor. Alright, so this should all be good. Alright, let me get set up for doing a crank. We'll be back.